Yo, kicking at a wall with a vengeance. We rev up like engine. Come back hard and we strengthen. New day, a new beginning. Battle wounds for the falls. Fighting hard for what's ours. Had to keep it, I couldn't see till I raised the light to the dark. Now it's too late cause I found my great. Had to elevate so I did. No more fear, I am no more scared. Let me right in my face, I'm here. To win this war, gotta take it. Just can't fight, gotta break. You thought just because I fell off that I couldn't come back. I'm steady tall. When my back against the wall, I'll take the fall. I want it all, yeah, I'm fighting for it all. I'm going all. Yeah, the fire's in my heart. I'm prepared to fall. I want it all. Might fall, but I won't give up. Stand tall, I'ma hold pill up. You stand tall, I'ma go bigger. You go hard, I'ma go real up. Can you do that? Better move back. Cause I got something that can hold you back. And I got something else that you lack. You don't want war, better weigh that flag. Keep hoping I'ma quit, but I won't. This is our time and you know. No 2 days are alike, so today is the fight, but I'm not on the ropes. Can't live life in the past. You think small, yeah, you have. We got right on the path. And we coming in fast, yeah, we coming in fast, yeah, we coming in fast, yeah, we coming in hard. I'm standing tall.